How to fix Snapchat support code C14A, C14B. This could be caused by poor network connectivity. To fix this, any of these below steps will work. Check network connection. First, ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. If not, shift to a mobile network. You can do this by opening your web browser and visiting a website. Restart your device. For iPhone, once you are on the home screen, activate Siri. Ask for Restart Device. Then, confirm it. On your Android phone, tap and hold the power button. Select Restart. Clear Snapchat cache. On iOS, on Settings app, click on the General. In this, tap on iPhone storage. Here, look for the Snapchat app. Click on it. Now click on Offload app. Then reinstall it. On Android, go to Settings. Scroll down and select Apps. Then click on See All Apps. Search for Snapchat. Click on it. Here, click on Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache. Update Snapchat. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Tap on your profile icon at the top right. Search for Snapchat and update if available. Reinstall Snapchat. Uninstall Snapchat from your device. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Snapchat and reinstall Snapchat. Log in and check if the problem is resolved. Check for device software update. Open Settings. Tap on General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. After updating, your device will restart. Unlock it. Now try to open Snapchat. And that's it.